What is good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mac, and we're checking back in with another great video. I really appreciate you guys tuning in, always showing love and supporting what I do and just having those positive vibes, man. Thank y'all for that. Also, I hope everybody is healthy and in the crib safe. I hope everybody's good with everything that we have going on. So with that being said, it's gonna be a great video, man. We're gonna take a look at a sneaker that came out yesterday on Air Max Day, and that's none other than the Air Max 2090. I'm gonna give you guys a quick look at the box right here. Size 12, my size. This shoe retails for 150 bucks. And I wasn't gonna say nothing, but I gotta be honest with you guys, man. I was low-key disappointed that Nike didn't do a special box. Seeing that it's Air Max Day, seeing that it's a new Air Max sneaker coming out, I just thought that I assumed that they would come out with a good box. But Nike was like, nah, we're just gonna give y'all this regular box and y'all are gonna go on, about y'all day. So it is what it is. I'm really not tripping about it, but I thought they could have at least did that. But it is what it is. That's not what this video is about. This video is about this sneaker right here, which is the Air Max 2090. So this sneaker came out along with like 4 or 5 different colorways. It came out with the reverse duck camo. We had this colorway, which is the pure platinum, all black colorway, and then like a kind of like a colorway similar to this pull tab right here, like a orange infrared type colorway. I don't know what that one was called, but there was about 4 or 5 colorways that came out, and I personally thought that this one was the best. I felt like it fit my style. It fit right into the spring, summertime vibes, and I just simply thought that this colorway looked the best on feet. And I think this 2090 is one of those sneakers to where you have to have lighter and brighter colors. The lighter and brighter the colorway is, the better the sneaker is gonna look, and that's just how I feel. And you guys are gonna see how great these look on feet in a minute. So every year Nike drops a new Air Max sneaker. So last year was the Air Max 720, which was the definition of a love-hate sneaker. There's no in between on this shoe. This is the all black colorway right here. Great shoe, very comfortable. I fuck with it. I know some people didn't like it. The year before that we had the Air Max 270, which ironically I was not a fan of the 270, but it's funny because now I am, and I got to go back and I got to cop a few pairs before they become hard to find. Before that we had the Vapor Max, and this is the Vapor Max Plus. You guys know how I feel about this shoe. This is one of my favorite shoes right here. And then before that we had the OG, man, the the Vapor Max, the original Vapor Max, pure platinum colorway. And as you can tell, I got my money's worth out of this sneaker. I do everything in this shoe, from workout to wash my car, and the air unit has not popped 3 years later. And that's amazing, seeing that as much as I do in this shoe, the air bubble still hasn't popped. So this year Nike has not missed once again with the Air Max 2090. I'm a fan of this shoe. So what is the 2090? The 2090 is basically the Air Max 90 remixed with some modern technology, futuristic technology. That's all it is. So the materials that are used on this shoe is very nice. The upper is basically like a soft mesh type material, which is really cool as far as when it comes to breathability. But as far as like looks, I don't really like that look. I'm not really a fan of that. I don't know if all the other colorways have this type of material on them, but I'm not really a fan of that because I feel like I don't like to see my toes when I'm wearing a sneaker. That's just me. So that's probably my only criticism of this shoe. But other than that, man, you can tell that this shoe was inspired by the Air Max 90. And it's clean, bro. Like you can tell by the back tab right here, Air Max 90 written all over it. Another thing that I liked was the tongue. So I'm gonna try to give you guys a good look. The tongue is attached to the sock liner, and for me that's very important because it allows you It allows for the tongue to be sturdy. The tongue is not flimsy. So on the Vapor Max Plus, the tongue is very, very flimsy. So you couldn't really do anything with it when it comes to, styling your jeans and stuff like that. So I was definitely glad when I pulled these out, I saw that the tongue was very, very sturdy and stable. And I also like this pull tab right here. I thought that was a nice touch. And that's gonna look good in jeans as well, which I'm about to show you guys. So overall, man, I thought this was a very, very nice sneaker. Again, Nike did not miss with this shoe. Sometimes, you see a shoe that's being promoted for months and then you get it in hand and you're kind of disappointed. But for me personally, I'm very, very impressed with this shoe, and I can't wait to see, what other colorways they're gonna come out with and just where they're gonna take this model. And personally, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I'm not even really a fan of the original Air Max 90. So for me to, basically love this model was crazy for me. I was very, very excited for these to come out. And I'm definitely not disappointed with having them in hand. So I will say that, we'll get into the sizing and stuff later. For now, we're gonna go ahead and throw these on feet so y'all. Just showed y'all what the Air Max 2090 look like on feet. I think I did a great job of giving you every look possible. I showed them to you in jeans, sweats, even shorts. Well, you couldn't see my shorts, but you know what I mean. I feel like I gave you every look you can possibly imagine. And personally, man, I feel like this shoe is tough. I think this shoe looks a lot better wearing them casually than a lot of the other sneakers that I just shown you. Like, they look better to me in jeans than the 720s, definitely, and then also the Vapor Max and the Vapor Max Plus. But that's just my opinion. I want to know what you guys think. If you have any other questions, let me know. As far as the sizing, For me, I went true to size. I wear a size 12 and I got a size 12. Air Max 90s run narrow in general, so I don't think this shoe is going to be any different. So I would definitely suggest going up a half size if you have wide feet. These shoes are very, very comfortable, man. As soon as I put these on feet, it's like walking on a cloud, and that's like the most important thing. Especially when when you buy Air Max, one of the first things you expect them to be is comfortable. So I don't think that these are gonna have a lot of break-in. You're not gonna have a long break-in period with this sneaker. I think this is one of those sneakers that just feel good out of the box. This material right here, I don't know what this is called, but this upper part right here, whenever you put it on, you can really feel the comfort in that area. Like I said, the entire sneaker is comfortable, but when you put your pressure, or you press on this part right here, it feels really, really comfortable. So again, man, Nike did an amazing job on this sneaker. I'm very, very interested to see what other colorways they come out with. But yeah, overall, let me know what you guys think about this sneaker. Let me know if you like them, you don't like them, you think they're trash. Are you waiting for other colorways to come out? Were you waiting to see a video like this to help you with your decision? Just leave me some thoughts on the Air Max 2090. But other than that, I'm gonna get up out of here. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate the support. And I'll definitely do a comparison video between these and the Air Max 720, seeing that that's last year's model and the 2090s are this year's model. Definitely want to see which one you guys think is better. So stay tuned for that video. Other than that, I'll see y'all next time.